Hello! In this lesson, we'll use the logo we created and we'll blend it in with the illustration so it results in a complete composition. First we'll do is compose our final illustration properly in the canvas. We've separated the illustration from the background by combining all layers in a new one. Now we have to place the logo we had in another file in this new layer. I'll set it behind the illustration, so this way the illustration is over the logo and this way it has more weight than the name. We're going to make a couple color tests. For example, we'll paint the strokes red, locking the transparent pixels and painting on it. And in another layer, we'll paint them alternatively. In this stage, for example, you can do a lot of tests. This way you'll see which things work better or worse. As you see, I'm changing both the color in the stroke and the one inside the letters in order to see what works best. For this process, you can take as much time as you need. You have to achieve its integration both chromatically and in contrast with the illustration. In our case, since our illustration has a lot of red and a lot of green, these are the colors that can offer quite a lot. Nonetheless, we have less red colors than the green or blue tones, though they're high contrasted colors. Because of this, when using red in the logo, it can boost the visual image. Trying has no limit, so in this case, I'm going to try to set some kind of stripes, like the ones on the typical candy canes, to check how it looks. Many times we'll see that we don't like how the tests we made look and we have to go back. But don't worry, change the opacity of the layers, modify new colors, etc. Everything is possible. Finally, I'll decide on a saturated red line. This is how our composition will look like. Wonderful! You have created your illustration now. In the next video, I'll do a brief conclusion in which I'll present the work we've been making and which have been the necessary steps. See you in the next lesson!